The University of Manchester has given out 6 global fellowships, Your Excellency, to 6 experts coming from University of Manchester to this hospital to train our professionals and build capacity in various areas. We also have 2 students from Kenya who are selected competitively, who will be proceeding to the University of Manchester for their master's degree and who will come back to help strengthen the research center at the hospital. Your Excellency, as a result of the partnership, University of Manchester will help us set up a breast cancer center of excellence in line with the breast cancer center of excellence in Manchester, given the high prevalence of breast cancer disease in our country. In addition, sir, Christie Hospital PET Academy in UK has accepted to deliver training in nuclear imaging to our technical team and make our hospital a center of excellence in molecular imaging in East and Central Africa. Lastly, Your Excellency, Christie School of Oncology at the University of Manchester has announced that they will partner with this hospital to offer specialized courses for oncology nurses, thus supporting our newly established Institute of Specialized Nursing. To support some of these activities, Your Excellency, the Ministry of Health, through our ABOT PS, has also set aside some funds to support the partnership. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, coming back to our function today, this is a very special day for us at this hospital as we witness the official opening of the Integrated Molecular Imaging Center at the Hospitality Center by Your Excellency. As you may recall, the President was here last year, September 2020, to lay the foundation stone for the IMIC and Hospitality Center. What we witness today, with great joy and a sense of satisfaction, Your Excellency, is the achievement of the promise we made to you, sir, that we would deliver the project for Kenya within a year. I'm happy to report that the project has been completed largely in time, despite a few hitches, which caused a short delay. Your Excellency, the project has also been completed within the budget which you authorized. Distinguished guests, the Integrated Molecular Imaging dream started some years back when I was heading Kenyatta University. The idea was to build up a capacity for comprehensive cancer care center where the continuum of cancer care from prevention to palliative care was to be housed in one place. Our dream was realized when His Excellency the President visited the hospital just before we opened the doors in 2019, and without hesitation, graciously accepted that the government provides funding for the project as part of the government Big Four agenda and in line with the universal health coverage. Thank you for providing leadership, Your Excellency, at the highest level and realizing this great vision for Kenya. Your Excellency, the challenges that we identified and which triggered this dream are, number one, the huge number of Kenyans who are seeking PET-CT scan services abroad, the huge amount of money Kenyans who are using to travel and pay for health services abroad, the agony Kenyans who are facing because of family separation caused by seeking health services abroad, the high rate of mortality or low rate survivorship caused by late diagnosis of cancer, lack of expertise to operate machines, and lack of enough oncologists to help all the needy Kenyans. This Integrated Molecular Imaging Center, Your Excellency, is now equipped, as you have seen, with both diagnostic and treatment equipment to address these challenges. Since we opened the hospital, we have attended over 73,000 patients overall and over 21,000 cancer-related cases. Your Excellency, another gap we identified is the need for the requisite skills in running of the diagnostic and treatment equipment. The hospital has hired staff with the needed skills. However, as they get the right training, the contract requires GE to operate the center for 18 months from this month as they also build capacity for us. Further capacity, Your Excellency, will be developed within the University of Manchester partnership, as I mentioned, and through other partners we are talking to. Another challenge was lack of accommodation facilities for patients and their families when they travel from far to seek specialized health care as patients. To mitigate this challenge, Your Excellency, a 100-bed hospitality center is already ready and open. The hospitality center is also equipped with a restaurant and a gym for the for those who use the facility. This center will offer patients and their families a good environment where they can rest as they wait to undergo the scheduled procedures at the IMIC. Allow me to thank you, Your Excellency, once again for authorizing the funding of the project that is being officially opened today. I would also like to thank the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Honorable Mutahi Kagwe, our Principal Secretary, Madam Susan Mochache, for the support they have accorded the project from inception. Members of National Assembly who are here today also played a critical role in securing funding for the project, and I thank them for that. I also wish to thank CS Dr. Fred Matiang'i for stepping in to help resolve some contractual issues when we called upon him. Other colleagues who are very instrumental, Your Excellency, were the Attorney General, Mr. Kihara Kariuki, and the Solicitor General, Mr. Ken Ogeto, who stepped in to resolve legal issues. The former PS for Energy, Engineer Joroge, who resolved power issues for us at no cost. And lastly, Ambassador Francis Mudaura, who helped in fast-tracking KRA clearances. The regulators, namely Pharmacy and Poisons Board, the Kenya Nuclear Regulatory Authority, Nairobi Metropolitan Services, National Environmental Management Authority, and National Construction Authority, Your Excellency, worked hand in hand with us to deliver the project.